Hey guys, what's up? It's been a minute. I'm smiling because I'm so excited, guys. We are going on the road today. So, MEGABOUNCE is in Jamaica, and I'm so excited, guys. So, as you know, guys, MEGABOUNCE is the largest touring inflatable theme park that there is. And right now it's in Jamaica. Today it will be in Irwin at the West Pole Park, and I'm gonna check to see what it's all about. So, it was supposed to be at the Catchinall Stadium, guys, but there was a last minute change, so now it's all the way in Irwin. I've never been there before, so guys, I'm a bit worried, but we'll see. Stay tuned while we explore this new location and see what MEGABOUNCE is all about. Okay guys, so I just came back from MEGABOUNCE and it was a long day. So MEGABOUNCE is in Montego Bay at Fairfield Irwin. It's at the West Pole Park. It's my first time going there. It wasn't difficult for me to get taxis. So if you know Montego Bay, you know where Type 5 is. Type 5 Clinic. It's around that side in the parking area. It's in one of the parks. That's where you get Irwin and Tucker taxi to get there, guys. So it's not a far distance away from the city. So you're not gonna take long to reach there, guys. I hated the fact that as soon as I got there, the rain started to fall, guys. No, we had to walk through the go-kart area to get to where they had the bounce about and stuff, guys. So what it would appear that they use a tractor to pave the way or to make a track to get to where the bounce is, and when the rain fell, guys, it was so muddy. So I would advise you to wear sneakers because the slippers and the Crocs is not gonna work, guys. And also, you're not gonna be allowed inside with any food or drink. This is a sponsored event, so there will be people over there selling food and drink, guys. So careful of that. I would say it would be best for you to wear something dark for your clothing. I would say to pick dark clothing because over there it's very muddy and it was just awful, guys. So I didn't. So after the rain fell, guys, the slides were filled with water and the mud off of the field and the walkway was just everywhere. So the slides were wet and dirty and people were walking up and down in their socks in the mud, guys, and it was just messy. So I did not go into the slides until it was a bit dried up, guys. I had bought some gray socks to wear, but I had to buy some black ones, guys, because it's not a good look when you have white socks on in the mud. And guys, I was just turned off. Because rain fell, I was just turned off, guys. If the rain falls, it's gonna be game over. I would say to walk with some extra clothes, because especially if you don't have a private vehicle, because when you're messy, taxi drivers won't be bringing you. So good luck finding your way home, guys. But people's clothes were messy. People came in white clothes and it was looking really disgusting, guys. But it's a long walk over there. You know, we have to go through the go-kart place. It's behind that. But it's long and muddy, guys, and it was so disgusting. They have food over there selling similar to circus price, but you may find some of them a little bit lower. So I bought a hot dog at one place for 800 and then at the other place it was for 400. So guys, also have pizza. They have sushi and those things. I must say big up to Janela's sushi bar, because her sushi is just right, not too sweet and not too icy to give your brain freeze. So I really enjoy that. Like I say, you cannot bounce without your socks. So, but if you leave your socks, they have socks selling over there, so you will be good. No re-entry as well. I just come out and cut off the banana for your hands up. No re-entry. I only went into two of the slides, guys. I think I went into the island bounce. That one is really nice. But I would never again go into the obstacle course. Before you go into the obstacle course, people, you have to be well hydrated and ensure you're not hungry. And it's like you have to be practicing a couple weeks before you go. I had to stop many times on the way, and it's long with a lot of obstacles, a lot of climbing. So guys, good luck with that one. So I only went in two days, guys, because like I said, the rain fell and the slides were wet and the muddy feet went in there, and I was not about to mess up my clothes. So I only went in two and I was okay with that. There is music as well. So the DJs did a great job as well as the host to keep the people entertained, lots of competitions and all of that. I feel like because of the rain and the location, not many people turned out on that day. It was supposed to be at Catrinal, but it was a last minute cancellation. I'm not sure why. So that's why it's all the way in Irwin, Toka. I left around after 7 and people were still coming in. It ends at 9. I think it went from 11 to 9. I tried to go up there early, guys, and rain backed me up, so I can't say go out early. But it ends at 9, and after they leave tomorrow, they're gonna go to Barbados. I heard that they're coming back to Jamaica again to go to other parishes. I'm not sure how that's gonna work, so I'm gonna have to watch the page. Just stay tuned. It wasn't bad. I feel like if the rain did not fall, it would have been much enjoyable. It would have been much more enjoyable if the rain did not fall. But I really enjoyed myself. Some of the things that I did not like is that the walk to go over is very long and muddy, and I was so lucky to have chosen a sneakers, or I would not have made it, guys. And it's a good thing that I wore a dark bottom, or else I would have been a mess as well. So long muddy walkway over. Also in the bathroom there was no soap to wash your hand, and I did not like that. Like I said, the slides were wet and dirty. I feel like they should come up with a rainy day plan to clean up the slides or to get rid of some of the water as soon as possible, because people pay $4,000 to come in and you can't go there, go slide up and with your clothes. It's not like you brought any extra clothes. So I feel like because the slides were wet, many people didn't get to really enjoy themselves. So that's another thing. Another thing is that I did not see garbage pans that were visible. So people just basically threw the garbage on the floor, after which they clean it up. But I think they should have placed some garbage cans in some noticeable areas so people didn't have to just throw the garbage anyway. This thing that, guys, they had a little bar where that's where you get all the drinks, but it was so muddy that I did not go there after taking off my shoes, because the air was so muddy, guys, and I just was not about to stand in mud and order any drink. So that's when I went to the slushy area and got a nice slushy. Guys, is that there's nowhere to shelter. I only saw the areas, I only saw the tents where the vendors were selling. I did not see any area to shelter in the rain. So the people that were over there, I'm not sure where they sheltered when the rain came down. When I came, I had to stop at the go-kart place and sheltered, guys. So there's no shelter over there. So I think they could have set up some things better in place. Some things were just tacky, but I enjoyed myself, guys. It's just that the place was wet and muddy. I feel that the turnout would have been better if it was not that muddy. But it's here for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, Father's Day weekend. So you don't catch it this time. I hear that they're returning and coming back to Jamaica. So it's a great experience, guys. Go out and check it out and let me know what you think. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.